In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the required phone number at checkout for your big cartel store. By ensuring your customers provide a phone number during checkout, you'll be able to enhance communication and streamline any follow-ups that might be necessary during the sales process. Let's get started. First, go to your big cartel dashboard. This is where you'll manage the various aspects of your store, from adding new products to customizing your website's appearance. Within the dashboard, look at the top of your screen and locate the account section. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a hub of important settings related to your account and store management options. Next, you'll want to scroll down and search for the section labeled Preferences. This area holds the key to refining the finer details of your store's operations. Once you've found the Preferences section, you'll see the option to edit preferences. Click on this option to open up additional customization settings that affect how your store operates and interacts with customers. Now, while you're in the editing mode, keep a keen eye out for the setting named Required Phone Number at Checkout. It's crucial to ensure this option is enabled. By requiring phone numbers, you'll create a more reliable channel of communication with your customers, which can be particularly beneficial should any issues arise during the order process. It's an added layer of assurance for both you and the shopper, facilitating a seamless shopping experience. After ensuring that the required phone number option is enabled, locate the Save button positioned below these settings and click on it. Saving your changes is vital as it ensures all the tweaks you've made are applied and active, ready to improve your order process for upcoming sales. Depending on your internet speed and device, this might take a moment, but you'll likely see a prompt or confirmation indicating that your changes have been successfully saved. And that's it. You've now successfully enabled a crucial feature that will enhance the way you manage customer interactions and order follow-ups. As a tip, it's always a good idea to revisit these settings periodically to make sure everything is configured the way you want it and adjust as needed based on your evolving business needs. Today, we took a step towards optimizing your store's efficiency and, ultimately, providing a better shopping experience for your customers. Feel free to explore other settings within your Big Cartel account to discover more features that can help grow and maintain your online store. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your online ventures.